already
Good
her
job.
first.
Jamie! Spread it out! Spread it out! Fast, Jamie! Fast! Fast!
There she is. Got it?
She's got the pink, the purple leggings on.
Come on, Brooke! Woo! Come on, Brooke! Yeah, baby!
You gotta watch that.
Go, Brooke! Go, Brooke! Go, baby girl! Brooke, good job, baby. You can do it. You can do it, Brooke. No, I don't either. Is that her?
Good job, Katie. Good job, Nate. Good job, Nate. Never stop, though.
Brooklyn. I'm right here. Thank you.
You did awesome. You ran it like 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Do you know what your official time was?
8 minutes and 10 seconds.
Oh, it was. That was awesome. I'm so proud of you. How'd you feel? How was it?
Near the end, I bet I could have passed a bunch of people, but my stomach felt so empty that
Oh.
I felt like I was gonna barf. So
Oh.
I had to.
You did awesome. Did you hear me yelling for you? You didn't? I was shouting on the side and waving my arms around. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Brooke. You did awesome.
I beat my personal best.
You did awesome. That is an amazing time. I've never run a mile that fast.
Really?
No, really. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. That's awesome.
Cool, this one you can.
Yep. All right, I'm going to turn this off now. Any parting words? Have you just begun your racing career? Are you hooked?
A little.
Good job, baby girl.
I gotta eat.
There's Brooke. Go, Alex! Woo! Alex, good boy, Alex. Alex, right here, baby. Good job. Go, baby, go. Go, go. Yay.
That's awesome.
Good job, Alex. Alex! Alex!
Alex!
You did good! You did so good!
He's like all into the drink. He was watching when I came here. I waited with Natalie, Ellie's sister, Natalie. She's sitting there, and they had the walkie-talkie, and
Get a drink, baby. Get a drink. Brooke and Alex, come here. So what'd you think? Good job, Alex. Way to go. You did great. Was it fun? Do you think you want to do another one? Do you think you want to run another race?
10 miles in.
10 miles. That's nothing for you, huh?
You guys were awesome.
Stay away from the edge, bud.
I'm into the Toy Story.
You guys did so great. I'm so proud of you both. Way to go. All right, I'm turning it off. Say bye, guys.
Adios.
Till next time.